So hey, what's up guys, and in this video I have the latest Xiaomi's or Miui launcher update. And in this update they have changed a lot of things. Like, first of all, they added the app drawer feature, which we all wanting and asking Xiaomi to bring it on the global market. Finally it's here with the Miui 11. If you're running Miui 11, surely works. I don't know about the Miui 10, I didn't test it. I don't have a phone which has the Miui 10 yet, so I don't know. Miui 11 works pretty well, and this is the latest update of the launcher. I got this on 28th November. Like, the version is 15.0, so the description is like filled with the link. Just head to the link in description, download it, run it on your phone. But before that, before you leave this video, let's talk about the features it just got. So app drawer, of course, pretty simple. A Poco like app drawer, communication, entertainment, and a search menu, which is pretty simple, nothing much. It is not app in search like the Poco one which they got, so that is different. And the features are nothing but like icon size. You can set your icons, layout, and lock home screen, and how much icons you want on your home screen, which is like 5x5, 4x5. Okay, that's pretty much. Nothing much to talk about it. App vault, pretty simple, nothing much. So that's it. But the app drawer is the highlight in this whole update. So that's finally it's here, and I'm pretty happy. So that's it in this video. Not going to take this video too long. Head to the description, download it, enjoy it, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out. Thanks for watching.